for AVNation.tv. We are here in the Projecta section of the Legrand booth.
Yes.
At this part of ISE, at ISE in Amsterdam. How are you, Marco?
I am doing well. Day 2, going good?
Excellent. You guys have 2 different stands. You have this one that has all of these technologies, then you have another stand as well, correct?
Yes. This is really the section of the commercial AV brands for Legrand.
Very good. In this booth and right behind us is your brand new Projecta screen.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about how this one came to be, because this isn't necessarily a new product, but it is kind of like a fully revamped product.
Yeah, correct. So the center electoral has been for many years, well, the most sold product we've had. It's a senior recessed screen, non-tension. Tension we do tension most, so that's really where we are focusing, high resolution projection, our HC progressive line of surfaces, so that's all part of this. But it has been the same for many years, and we knew that there were a couple of pain points that the installers, in fact, were running into.
Okay.
So what we did is we went to the market, we talked to the actual installers, and asked, what do you like about the one that's there, and what are the things you think could be better? And that gave us a list of things that we can improve. And one of the most noticeable thing was installation, just getting that case into the ceiling, because you're talking about a installation above your head, you're pushing up weight. So we came out with a brand new 2-step installation, where you first install the case into the ceiling, and later on you pop in the insides, and the inside would be a roller with the fabric and the motor.
Okay.
So the old one already had that feature, but getting it in there, it required, you should have done it a couple of times, and there was a certain way to do it, and we changed that. So right now, that you can mount the case, there's multiple installation points, that's a new feature. You can install it outside the case, and you can install it inside the case.
Oh, fantastic.
And the nice thing is, when you have the roller, you just click it in. You push it in, it clicks in place, and that also helps with surfacing. So let's say somebody rips the fabric. It happens.
Yep.
So people write on screens, they do it. Or somebody just wants to replace a certain material with a different material. For instance, you're going from standard lamp to laser. Laser requires a different type of material, so you change it to a different material. You can just push 2 levers, it lowers down, and you click it on a new one.
That's fantastic.
So
taking that kind of information from your integrators, is that something that you normally engage in?
That's something we've been doing more and more over the last couple of years, really getting customer feedback in developing products. Because in the end, we are at the accessory end of an installation. Right. So a large part of the decision of which screen or mount or camera or whichever is used is also at the installer part. So we want to make sure that our screens or mounts, they are used by the installer. They like using them. They are fast. They are safe. And that's a large part of it.
That's fantastic. As far as this brand new screen, when is this going to be available?
It will be available shortly after ISE.
Okay.
So that would be Q1.
Fantastic. And if people want to find more information out about this screen and all the other products that are available, where can they do that?
They can find all information on milestone.com.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks so much.
For more footage from the show floor, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.